Hello and welcome to Cloud Learner's Journey of Azure Solutions Architect video series. We will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to pass AZ-305 exam, and you must also pass AZ-104 exam to become an Azure Solutions Architect. You can also go through AZ-104 exam video series, and links are available in the description. Our series of videos is easy to follow and understand, and we will also explain each question in a clear and concise manner. Whether you are new to Azure or have some experience, this series is suitable for anyone looking to become an Azure Solutions Architect. To help you prepare for the exam, we will provide you with real exam questions and answers, as well as detailed explanations and references also can be found in the description. These questions will cover all the key topics that are covered on the actual exam and will also help you to identify any areas where you may need additional study. By subscribing to our channel, you will have access to all the resources you need to prepare for the AZ-305 exam and achieve your goal of becoming an Azure Solutions Architect. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to Cloud Learner's Journey and let's get started on your journey to becoming an Azure Solutions Architect. Thank you.